Hi, my name is Satnam Singh and I run a SEO and web design company in Surrey. Currently, I'm working on ranking roofing companies in Google through SEO, and I came across your website. And just wanted to share some feedback with you. When I go to Google over here, and if I search for roofing companies, Surrey or Surrey BC. And if I see, here on the top there are three ads. This is a paid ad, paid ad, paid ad, and then this is a you know Google Map results, which is called 3 pack, and then we have these organic results on the first page. If I see your listing that's not on the first page, it's definitely on the second page. If you see it here, uh, somewhere, yeah, this is here. So it's on the second page, um, and as you know, 80 to 90% of the clicks, 80 to 90% of the business is taken by companies which are listed on page one of the search results. uh, and you are on page two. And if I just opened your website, it's a nicely designed website. A lot of effort has gone into it. Design is good, content is good, the number of pages are good, but it is not ranked on page one, so it's missing out on generating leads. So I was just analyzing why your site is not ranked on the page one. So there are a couple of things which I would like to share with you. If you see, this tool I have, I can check the metadata of the site. So you see this site, I've entered the URL here, and the title of the site says home and Cheema. Whereas this title should contain one of your keywords, because this is where you tell Google what your site is all about. And this is not this is not the correct way of doing it, and this is confusing Google. That's why it's not ranking. Second factor could be this H1 and H2 tags, which are heading 1s and heading 2. If you see this for URL bcheemaroofing.ca, your H1 heading status says satisfies every homeowner needs commercial roofing services. Okay, this is fine because this contains one keyword, professional residential roofing. This is also fine, but roofing company Surrey, this doesn't contain that keyword. Similarly, H2 even doesn't contain that, and those keywords. So if we optimize these two things, you know you will have a little better rankings. And there are a few more things required to rank on page one, like content, optimized content, backlinks, on page optimization, off page optimization. And we are there to help you. If you need to rank on page one to expand your business, we can do that with guarantee. We can definitely get anyone to on page one of Google within 45 days, maximum 60 days. Since you're already on page two, so getting on page one won't take that long of a period. Maybe 1 month to 45 days should be enough. So if you are interested to discuss this, please feel free to call me or replying you can also reach out to me by replying to this email. Thank you. Have a nice day.